Today, I'm going to show you how to stretch an image in Pixlr, step by step, using the easiest method possible. This is a really useful technique if you need to resize an image to fit a layout, adjust proportions, or make an image wider or taller without starting over. If you've ever wondered how to do this quickly, inside Pixlr, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel and lets me know to make more guides for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open Pixlr E in your browser and load the image you want to stretch. Once your image is open, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll see your image layer, and if it has a lock icon on it, that means the layer is locked and you won't be able to transform it yet. If you do see that lock icon, just double-click the image layer to unlock it. This is an important first step because Pixlr won't let you freely edit a locked background layer the way you need to for stretching. Now that the layer is unlocked, the next step is to activate Free Transform. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard, or you can go up to the menu, click Edit, and then choose Free Transform. Both options will take you to the same tool. Once Free Transform is active, you'll see handles appear around your image. These little square nodes are what you use to resize and stretch the image. If you want to stretch it wider, drag the side handles outward. If you want to stretch it taller, drag the top or bottom handles. You can also adjust both directions depending on the look you want. Be careful here, because if you drag a corner handle, you may keep the proportions more balanced depending on the settings, while the side handles are best for stretching one direction specifically. So if your goal is to stretch the image widthwise or heightwise, focus on those side handles. Take your time and drag until the image looks the way you want it to. This is especially helpful if you're trying to fit a design space, correct an image ratio, or create a more dramatic visual effect. When you're happy with the new size and shape, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the changes. That confirms the transformation and locks in your stretched image. And that's it. Your image is now stretched in Pixlr. It's a quick process once you know where the tools are, and now you can do it anytime you need to adjust an image for a project. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Pixlr tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.